In this module, we will discuss three components. First, we will provide a friendly introduction to the SAS Enterprise Miner software. You will learn how to access SAS Enterprise Miner through Kubernetes Virtual Machine and learn to create a SAS Enterprise Miner project. In the second part, we will discuss exploratory data analysis. You will learn how to use simple summary statistics and graphs to gain insight of the data. In the last part, we will discuss data pre-processing. You will learn how to check the quality of the data to identify outliers and correct the outliers if needed. You will also learn how to handle missing values in the data. This data pre-processing will be an important part for future predictive modeling. In practice, the exploratory data analysis and data pre-processing take a lot of efforts in real data analysis.